A recent Consumer Reports investigation has highlighted major security concerns with AI-powered voice cloning tools. Many platforms lack strong verification measures, making them vulnerable to misuse by scammers, fraudsters, and cybercriminals. With AI-generated voices becoming more realistic, the risks of impersonation, fraud, and misinformation have significantly increased. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. AI voice cloning technology utilizes deep learning algorithms to replicate human speech with high accuracy. Tools like ElevenLabs, Resemble AI, and iSpeech enable users to generate synthetic voices from short audio samples. While these tools have legitimate applications in media, entertainment, and accessibility, their misuse has led to alarming security risks. The rising threat of AI voice frauds are, Consumer Reports found that lack of authentication allows cybercriminals to clone voices easily, leading to number 1, financial scams. That is, fraudsters impersonate family members or officials to steal money. Number 2, political misinformation. That is, fake robocalls featuring AI cloned voices spread false information. And number 3, corporate espionage. That is, attackers mimic executives to authorize fraudulent transactions. The real-world scams involving AI voice cloning are the grandparent scam. That is, an AI-generated voice impersonated a grandson, convincing an elderly woman to send $10,000 for bail money. CEO fraud. A UK firm lost $243,000 after an employee received fake voice instructions from an AI-cloned CEO. Fake Biden robocalls in 2024. That is, deepfake calls discouraged voters by impersonating President Joe Biden before elections. Consumer Reports emphasized that many AI platforms lack identity verification, watermarking, or consent mechanisms. Unlike deepfake videos, AI-generated audio is harder to detect, making it a preferred tool for scammers. With AI voice cloning evolving rapidly, fraud prevention measures are critical. Consumer Reports calls for urgent regulatory action, improved AI security, and public awareness campaigns to minimize risks. Businesses, governments, and tech companies must collaborate to protect users from the rising threat of AI-generated voice scams. Let's look into today's headlines. Apple to redesign iOS, macOS, iPadOS in major software update. Apple is reportedly preparing a significant overhaul of the operating systems for the iPhone, iPad, and Macs. The iOS 19, iPadOS 19, and macOS 16, set to be unveiled at Apple's annual Worldwide Developers Conference in June, will reportedly look radically different, with changes involving everything from the icons, menus, and apps to the windows and system buttons. The update aims to simplify the user experience, particularly in how devices are controlled and navigated. Meta, looking to cut down dependence on Nvidia by testing in-house AI chip. Meta has started testing its first ever in-house chip designed for training artificial intelligence systems. The move marks a significant milestone in Meta's journey, as it will potentially reduce its dependence on external suppliers like Nvidia. If successful, Meta plans to scale up the production of this AI chip for broader implementations. The development of this custom AI chip is also said to be part of Meta's long-term strategy to cut down infrastructure costs, as it heavily invests in AI-driven technologies. OpenAI launches new tools for creating AI agents. OpenAI has launched new tools for developers that will help them build advanced AI agents using a few application programming interfaces amid growing competition from Chinese AI startups. The goal of these developer tools is to create systems capable of independently completing complex tasks on behalf of the user at a time when enterprises are seeking AI agents that can operate with minimal supervision, increasing efficiency. The State Bank of India confirms technical issues as its UPI services face outage. The State Bank of India has reported technical difficulties that has affected its unified payments interface services, causing disruptions for customers. The bank acknowledged the issue in an official post on X, stating that users might experience intermittent problems while using UPI services. While SBI was resolving the issue, the bank has advised users to utilize UPI Lite services for transactions in the interim. Sony's Project Amethyst with AMD will see FSR4 implementation in PS5 Pro. As part of Project Amethyst, which was announced in December, Sony PlayStation is currently continuing its work on artificial intelligence upscaling with AMD. AMD recently released the new RX 9070 GPUs with RDNA4 architecture, and one of the key highlights was FSR4, which saw a lot of improvement. This happens to be the first result of Project Amethyst collaboration between the two companies. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.